Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel again. We are going to perform right now penetration test over the machine walla that belong to proving grounds with intermediate level. It's a different machine that not usual with a not usual access and privilege escalation. I'm looking for a new tool for the brute force access. Yeah, it's a new software too. I It's a Linux machine, but has installed a software of management wireless or something like this. This is the target directory. Um, this is the IP, so we can check that the machine is alive. Okay, it's alive. Um, at this side, I'm going to scan the open ports in the other side with nmap tool, the open service and common vulnerabilities. The open port is 43, 53, 23, 22, 25 and 42, 40. What is this port? I've never saw it before. Let me check it. If this is the IP, this is the 42 0 42. What is this? Connection was reset. I'm not sure. So sometimes the machine don't respond as expected. Scanning. Yeah, this is the port that I was looking for. And asked you for credentials. After perform a fusion over directories, I found that it's not it's no content displayed because it's not allowed access. It's full security. So inside of scripts, I found no. This is walla. Walla scripts. I found a new one with brute force HTTP authorization that basically allows you to admin send many requests with a brute force such an hydra to this login. So cd cd I'm inside. The functionality is easy. You can execute this one and say the first one set the target IP and is the IP of the host. The second one the IP with the port HTTP. The port is 8091. Okay. The username is admin by default, but you can use a list, and inside of this you can use checklist 10 million of password, top maybe mil 1000. um, is not valid URL. Target format should be URL value HTTP, like this. You want to perform this one? Yes. And started the attack. So we need to wait for obtain. Yeah. After 100 of attempts, it found that admin and secret are the credentials. So it's an util tool that I want to show. So don't save. This is the software that I speak before. It's not important at this moment the functionality, but of course the version is important in order to review the exploits. For example, this one I used it before. Exploit. So here the exploits directory, I can clone the repo git clone, not clean, CVE Python exploit py. So I'm going to open the exploit and review. This is Python 3. This should be launched with Python 3. Bash reversal is target IP. Target IP is this one. Okay. Port. The port is 191, 8091. Attacker port could be 80 and my local. Admin password is secret. Payload, for example, netcat reversal. And I only need start to listen netcat at local port 80. Secret. Attacker IP port. Yeah, what happened with my attacker IP? If config like this, press enter to continue. Yes, and voila. Who am I? ID. It's work fine, but I want to show you this one because for me was unbelievable. I think, whoa, what is this? On my first attempt to search for an exploit, I found this one. Exploits. What is this folder? Walla exploits. Streaming Walla. Oh, cd walla exploits cd cv. Inside of exploit we can cut the exploit pipe grep php. So it's try to entry to this one, and it's an amazing web shell that provide you. Oh, what happened? It's an amazing web shell that provide to you the application. It's you need to put an slash here. Yes. So look at this. Who am I? ID cd slash slash. it's it's better than my terminal. Inside of Walter, you can find okay, I'm going to show you the local txt and clean the previous items. So I remove the Wi-Fi reset.py, but if belong to user root and is unremovable. Sudo -l sudo. Yes, I know that not exist. So I need to restart the machine. Ay, this is unbelievable. So we are going to perform this one again. When the machine is ready, maybe half a minute. Yes. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Please try again later. Dice. 'My VPN is connected. Okay, it seems that is enabled. I can send it again. So who am I? Import Python -c and import pte pte spawn in was like this, like this. CD home, CD Walter. So cat local local.txt. Can I move this one to backup? Yes, I can move it sudo minus l. I think that the problem of this machine has grown uh, permissions for the user Walter, but this should be belong to another group or another user, and Walter, because at this way is more easy than the, I think, the kind of privilege escalation than the developer or the creator want to exploit. Because if you perform sudo minus l, uh, you found that this binary could be executed with sudo permissions without mm, um, put or use the credentials, because it's inside of sudo group. But you can modify this file. For this reason, cat, you don't need to exploit the Python path hijacking. That is the idea, because at this point you can create directly reversal with Python, reversal Python like this. Copy and echo reverse dot py, but I need to write it reverse dot py. Okay, with Python, yes, but I don't change. Oh, I feel stupid. Okay, at this point the first one is change the user attacker IP and the attacker port. It's going to be the 80 port, and like this you can write in a new file, for example echo reverse dot py, and you can exploit this one with Python reverse dot py. Is the same that the NLVP at port 80. This is the same that the machine required, but this is too easy. The idea is, let me check, cat welfare reset, is that you use the import of, for example, this Wi-Fi controller that not exist uh, of path hijacking, you can create the same move reverse dot py to the Wi-Fi controller dot py, because Python by default review on the folder that you execute the Wi-Fi script. In that case, I'm looking for the import at this directory. So performing this one, I think that should be, yeah, whamai 3w data. So the third item, it's execute the same sudo -l with sudo like this, whamai, yeah, here whamai sudo id sudo cd root. Here is the cat proof.txt, but this is using the path hijacking. There are other ways, such modify the Python m variable before execute this one. There are an script for review. Let me check. Python hijacking. Yes, I think that this post explains this right. So this concept is important because shows you the path. That the first one is branch, that you consider that is the same directory that you executed. The second one is this, the third one, and so on, so on. If the import is found previously to the others, you can perform a hijacking of the library and execute the source code that you want. So this is the idea, but the machine, I think, that has grown permissions at the directory. So this is all for this machine. We continue with a new one.